Hi, I'm Annette. This is how to lay floor tiles. Let's get into it. Before we start laying our tiles, we need to make sure the surface is properly prepared. Start by checking that your floor is straight. If you notice any humps, you'll need to grind them down using a diamond cup disc. If there are any dips in the floor, a concrete floor leveler will help smooth them out. Once your floor is straight, vacuum the area, then apply a primer to help the tiles adhere better. When your primer is dry, it's now time to plan your tile layout. Our room is 1.6 metres by 3 metres, and we're using tiles that are 600 mil square. This means lengthways we'll be using 5 tiles. Now for the width. We're going to find the centre of the room, then measure half a tile, which in our instance is 300 mil, and we're going to mark this with chalk line. You'll likely need to cut some tiles to fit. Measure the space carefully, then use a tile cutter to make your cuts. For cuts around corners or L-shaped cuts, you will need to use a grinder with a diamond blade. Then dry lay your cut tiles to make sure they fit perfectly. If any adjustments are needed, make them now. Then stack your tiles to the side in the correct order. Now you're ready to mix your tile adhesive. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to get the right consistency. Think of peanut butter, not too runny but smooth enough to spread easily. When it comes to choosing a notched trowel, it's important to pick the right size for your tiles. Apply the tile adhesive to the floor in manageable sections, starting at your chalk line. Hold the trowel at a 45-degree angle to create grooves in the adhesive, ensuring the adhesive is evenly spread across the floor. Give them a little wiggle to ensure a good strong bond. Use tile spaces between each tile to keep your grout lines even. The size of the spaces you use will determine the thickness of your grout lines, and this is ultimately a styling choice, depending on the look and feel you want for your space. As you go, just keep checking that each tile is level with the others. If a tile sits too high or too low, adjust it by adding or removing a bit of adhesive. After all the tiles are in place, let the adhesive dry for at least 24 hours. Before going on to the grout, remove the spaces and then clean up all the excess adhesive. Mix the grout according to the instructions. Then use a grout float to apply it to the gaps between the tiles. Hold the float at a 45-degree angle and spread the grout diagonally across the tiles to ensure it fills all the joints. Wipe off any excess grout with a damp sponge, being careful not to pull grout out of the joints. Finally, after the grout has dried, usually after 24 hours, give the tiles a final wipe down to remove any grout haze. And that's it. Now you've got a beautifully tiled floor that's ready to take on whatever life throws at it. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.